Okay, one thing you have to do before you assemble the trebuchet, you have to sand the throwing arm and the arm supports. Make sure you sand them so they're nice and clean. This would need to be sanded. You need to put these notches in here. These notches hold the weights. Okay, we have to have a counterweight on here. That's the whole principle of the trebuchet. What happens, I'll give you a quick demonstration without ammunition, without a loaded trebuchet. What happens is we put a projectile in this pouch, and then we hook the pouch onto the trigger pin. And remember, there's a projectile in there. And then we take the trigger pin and we hold it in place with the trigger. This is a projectile, piece of clay in this case, and it goes inside the pouch. And then when I pull the trigger pin, the trigger pin will be released, and then the counterweight will drop down, and this pouch theoretically will will go in this direction, and that will throw the projectile. Let's try it, and then we can go. Okay, it must have bounced off of someone there, but that's the principle. Okay, so we need to, in order to get this thing to work, we need to drill a hole, or we drilled a hole here, and we're going to cut into a little slot in the hole. Now notice the slot's at an angle. So you can eyeball this, and you can draw in 2 lines, and then you can use the bandsaw and make sure to lower the upper blade guide right above the wood, and then just cut that slot in there. And then that will be one of your slots. You don't really need 2. We have 2 in case you want to modify it, but our experience is that one the closest to the end is the best one. So that'll be adequate. That's it.